Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning everyone. How's life? I hope all of you have a good day. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anindita Hasnakusuma. I'm from Integrated Islamic Junior High School of Bina Insan Kamil Sidarja. Today, I want to tell you a story from Central Java with the title Timun Mas. Happy watching! In the village far away, there was a lady named Mbok Rondo. She was all alone since her husband passed away. She really wanted a child. Every day, she prayed, and prayed. Oh my Lord, please give me a child. One day, a big green giant named Buta Ijo heard her prayers. He came to her and asked, Do you really want a child? Mbok Rondo said, Yes, I really want a child. The giant told her that he could give her a child, but there was a condition. He said, You have to take care of the child and feed her well. When she is 6 years old, I will come back for her. Mbok Rondo was very worried, but she agreed. After that, the giant gave her some cucumber seeds to plant. Once Mbok Rondo planted cucumber seeds, they grew very fast and soon had a big cucumber ready to pick. But when Mbok Rondo picked one, wow! The cucumber is so big! I wonder what's inside! She's so surprised. There's a baby inside! The baby was named Timun Mas. But soon, the giant came back to take Timun Mas away because she was 6 years old now. Mbok Rondo was very sad and didn't want the giant to eat her daughter. So, she told the giant, She is too skinny and small. Come back in 2 years. The giant believed her and left. Mbok Rondo was very worried about Timun Mas and prayed for a way to save her. One night, God answered her prayers in a dream about a hermit on a mountain who could help. So, Timun Mas went to find the hermit. After climbing the mountain for many days, she finally met him. He told her that if the giant come back, she should run away as fast as she can. But the giant's steps are too big. I'll be caught easily. Timun Mas said, feeling worried. Don't worry, the hermit told her. Take this first small package and throw one at a time when you're running away. 2 years passed and the giant came back to take Timun Mas. Where is Timun Mas? Then he chased her. Timun Mas opened the first package and threw the cucumber seeds at the giant. Suddenly, a cucumber field grew around him. Cucumber! Unfortunately, the giant can't pass the cucumber tree. Timun Mas opened the second package and threw the needles. They turned into tall bamboo trees, making it even harder to the giant to catch Timun Mas. Timun Mas, please stop it! Timun Mas opened the third package and threw the soul at the giant. Suddenly, a big ocean came out. Timun Mas, don't you dare run away from me! Timun Mas was getting scared, but she remembered the last package, shrimp paste or trashy. Timun Mas opened it, and she threw it at the giant into boiling hot mud sea. The giant fell into the mud and drowned. Timun Mas, you can't run away from me! Timun Mas was relieved and walked back home. But Rhonda was very happy to see her daughter. They hugged and thanked God for his help. From then on, they lived happily together. Ladies and gentlemen, I think that's all from me. Thank you for your kind attention. But before that, the moral value of the story is put God first and do the best effort and never give up. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.